I wanted to take a moment to share with you an exciting opportunity to enhance your well-being and embrace a holistic approach to health. I invite you to join GoDesana, a leading platform dedicated to empowering individuals like yourself on their wellness journey. Here are a few compelling reasons why you should consider joining GoDesana. Exceptional quality. GoDesana takes pride in offering premium, organic, and sustainably sourced products, including a remarkable selection of essential oils. Their commitment to quality ensures that you receive the finest ingredients to support your wellness goals. Holistic solutions. GoDesana provides a comprehensive range of holistic wellness products, from skincare and body care to nutritional supplements. By integrating these thoughtfully formulated solutions into your routine, you can nurture your body, mind, and spirit with natural and effective remedies. Empowering education. At GoDesana, knowledge is power. Their platform is rich with educational resources, articles, and guides that empower you to make informed choices about your well-being. Expand your understanding of essential oils, learn about wellness practices, and explore natural living through their extensive library of resources. Vibrant community. By joining GoDesana, you become part of a supportive and inspiring community of individuals who share your passion for holistic wellness. Connect with like-minded individuals, exchange experiences, and find encouragement on your journey towards optimal health. Personalized support. GoDesana is committed to your satisfaction. Their dedicated team is ready to provide personalized support, answer your questions, and guide you along your wellness path. Feel confident knowing that you have a knowledgeable and caring team by your side. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your well-being with GoDesana. Visit their website today to explore their exceptional products, access valuable resources, and join a thriving community dedicated to holistic living. I encourage you to take this step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Discover the transformative power of GoDesana and experience the joy of embracing a holistic approach to wellness. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you thrive with GoDesana.